The Cloth Nappy Incentive Scheme is a programme run by Voice Ireland to encourage families to try reusable nappies instead of disposable nappies.
Climate change can be overwhelming, but using reusable nappies is a simple action you can take that can have a meaningful impact. Cork County Council and Cork City Council were delighted to partner with Voice Ireland to roll the scheme out to families in Cork.
The partnership with CUMH is really important as we're reaching all families. 70% of families reported saving 1 to 2 black bags of waste per week. So not only is it good for the environment, but it also saves the family financially.
We know the scheme has been successful as there's been an increase in sales of cloth nappies in Cork.
It would be great if cloth nappies became the norm. Even using 1 reusable nappy a day can have such a big environmental impact.
Use of disposable nappies is a climate action, with reusable nappies using 25% less CO2 than disposable nappies. It would be great to see this scheme rolled out nationwide.
The desire to make the change is there. We just need to support the families in doing that.